Hello friends, today's topic after budget markets up or down. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Large number of people keep asking us the question, what happens after budget? Markets up or down? That is why we are keeping the statistical report in front of you. Looking at it, you will get an idea. Zerodha has compiled the data of performance of Sensex index after budget since 2009, that is 15 years. It is an interesting historical data which is useful for all investors to know. Usually in stock markets, history repeats. We need to see if the same holds true for this year too. Sensex performance 1 month after budget. Number 1, 16th February 2019 minus 4.04%. 26 February 2010 plus 6.89% and 16th March 2012 minus 1.84% and 28th February 2013 minus 0.14%, 17th February 2014 plus 6.17%, 28th February 2015 minus 3.19%, 1st February 2018 minus 5.46%, 1st February 2019 minus 1.12%, 1st February 2020 minus 6.33%, 1st February 2023 minus 0.5% and 1st February 2024 probably the interim budget plus 2.9%. So in the last 19 budgets including interim budgets, Sensex has given negative returns for the next 1 month after budget on 11 occasions. So 58% of the time it has been negative. The average returns for 1 month after budget is positive plus 0.49%. So even though the Sensex has given negative on more occasions for 1 month period after budget, the average return is 0.49% positive, since whenever there has been positive returns, the percentage has been quite high compared to relatively smaller percentage of negative returns whenever the returns have been negative. This time, since there has been a good rally before the budget, it's going to be interesting to see if the positive momentum can be continued for another 1 month. Sensex and Nifty RSI has fallen from 71 to 65 the last few days due to the small fall recently. However, the monthly RSI is still around 79 to 80, which is in heavy overbought zone. The last 1 month, Nifty and Sensex have gone up by 4%. As per the historical records, usually the markets are down by 1.1% for 1 month before budget since 2019. So this time, markets have done much better than the historical records of pre-budget. Be alert for any opportunities due to volatility because of budget. End of the video, here's the question. Are you planning any lump sum amount if there is a correction of 5% or more in markets before the end of the year? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.